guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're new to my channel, and in this video I am collaborating a power hour cleaning video with a lady named Laura from Being the Braxtons is the channel's name, and she is a really nice girl, a friend who has two little boys, and she does videos on cleaning, travel, lifestyles, all sorts of stuff. I'm going to insert the clip right here for her to introduce herself.
Hey guys, I'm Laura from Being the Braxtons, and I'm really excited to get the chance to do this collaboration video here on Domestic Divas channel with her. I just recently came across her page and am loving all of her videos so far. I would love it if once you guys are finished watching her video, you came over to my channel, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments that you are from her channel so I can say hey. Also, disclaimer, I do not look like this in my video. This was filmed on a different day. I do not look like this when I clean my house. I wish that I could tell you that I did, but just FYI for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.
So if you are coming over from her channel, welcome. My name is Sonia, like I said at the beginning, and I do videos on all sorts of stuff. I do cleaning as well, DIYs, lifestyle, tutorial. I love chalk painting, so I do a lot of chalk painting tutorials, hauls. I do a bit of travel. Usually Wednesdays are my travel days. So if you think that you might like my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, click the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. So like I said, this video is a power hour, and I'm going to get started on it. So first I like to make myself a list of things that I need to do and I want to accomplish in that 1 hour. So here is my list. Here is my phone, and I'm going to start it now. put it away, it ran out of space on my card, so I had to switch to a different device. There it is. I just still have to put those receipts, which I'm pretty sure my husband just emptied his pockets. My family room. And then there's the kitchen. It's tidied, which is how I want it. So let's just look at the list. Oh, and look at the time. So we have 7 minutes left. I'm just gonna pause it. And let me see what I have done. So clean and tidy up the bathroom. Done. Laundry. Well, mostly done. Tidy downstairs. Done. Vacuum downstairs. It's getting done. Clean powder room. Done. And clean the kitchen. Done. I have all the breads out over here. We're hosting a gathering later on today, so, and I just, once the dishes dry, I'll put those away as well. I have assigned my kids for some chores too. My daughter's gonna finish vacuuming half the downstairs, and my son's gonna vacuum the other half once he comes home. And then she's gonna empty the dryer for me, and he's gonna empty the dishwasher, so that way I have a empty dishwasher when the company comes to put the dishes in. So this is it. It's just a quick 1 hour. Took me less than an hour to get it all done, and I videotaped. So if you're doing some videotaping while you're cleaning, it always takes a little longer. So I just wanted to kind of share with you that it doesn't take long to get things done. If you I love like lists and power hours because I just get stuff done. So make sure you check out Being the Braxtons. A very nice mom, like I said, with 2 little boys, and my dog's barking. Make sure you check her out too, and if you are coming from her channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, I would love for you to subscribe and press that notification button so you don't miss out on anything. So until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much all for watching.